Hello guys, the winter is coming and is the time to winterize any irrigation systems or water pipes here in Canada because everything is gonna freeze and freeze very well. So today I'm gonna show you how to winterize the irrigation system, these pipes, and also how to winterize and remove the water from the sprinkler systems for your lawn, front yard or backyard. This is how my very basic sprinkler system looks. So this is the dual timer with two pipes which go to, you'll not see it, but they go to my front yard where I have different sprinklers, and it just basically works on timing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this timer, and for cleaning the water from these pipes we will need a source of air, and for that we'll be using basically a compressor, a small one, but it's good enough to remove the water. And for the irrigation system for my garden, I already disconnected this pipe, and the same will blow some air in it to remove the excess of water. And just a note, the pipes itself, they can freeze with water in it. They're flexible, not that much, but they're flexible. But the elbows, these joints, so if anywhere it accumulates the water, this is hard plastic and that's gonna break. So that's the reason we try to remove as much water as we can. And you might be lucky. You might not do it and it might be staying like this for many years. But if somewhere there's a low point where this elbow, like the joint here, accumulates enough water which will not be able to escape, that's gonna break. So this is what we will try to avoid. As a source of air, we'll be using this very basic Bostitch compressor. It doesn't hold enough air to blow the entire water, so probably when we're gonna blow it, it will start working, but it's good enough. It's good enough for the homeowners and it's pretty cheap. And so that's the source of air. On the other side, we will need this specific blow gun. See this little tip, and because my pipe's a little bit wider, I had to put some electric tape around just to seal the air. But that's what basically we need. We need a small, like a mini blow gun, and if you have different tips, like little bit larger ones, that's perfect. For me, I didn't have. I had like only this rubber tip, and it's a little bit loose within the pipe, so I had to put some sort of insulation on top of it. I try to have high pressure, so there are two gouges here, and this is the pressure for your blowgun. So I try to put like between 100 and 140. Really up to you. So just to test it out, and this pressure is good enough. There's not much air, as I said, but it's fine. It's gonna start working, and we can continue blowing the air. Now the important part is when you work with these things, compressed air, make sure to wear protective goggles or glasses because the pressure is pretty high. So the next step would be to put your blowgun in the pipe. I'll just remove this gasket, just insert it as much as you can, and just basically blow. And we already see the water sprinkling from the system. You might see it's a little bit over there. Okay, so obviously when the pressure accumulates in the pipes, when you remove your blowgun, expect the water to blow your direction a little bit. It's normal. So we have these sprinklers here, which are vertical, and we have other type of sprinklers here, which spray on the angle. So the expectation is when we start blowing the air in the system, they will pop up and they will spray the rest of the water. I like there is a little handle here, so you can hold the pipe and just push the handle and just push the air, and you just hold it for a minute. It's good enough to remove the excess of water, and if there is a little water left, that's fine. This is pretty simple project if you have the compressor and the right blow gun and you have access to all your pipes. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions down below in the comments, and thanks for watching. Cheers.